brassiness typically starts to become visible in the hair a few weeks after a salon colour. That's where MUVO Ultra Blonde shampoo comes into play. We highly recommend using Ultra Blonde every second or third wash, alternated with a colour-free regular shampoo and conditioner such as MUVO Totally Naked. Because if you're using Ultra Blonde every wash, your colour can become dull. When applying MUVO Ultra Blonde shampoo, it's important to focus on the most brassy areas first. Underneath is usually most brassy. We all know that areas of our hair absorbs product quicker, so you have the power to eliminate those unwanted tones where you need to. Here we are applying MUVO Ultra Blonde to the areas of Tiffany's hair that requires it the most, then shampooing through the rest of the hair. In this scenario, we'll leave it on for up to 5 to 10 minutes to give Tiff's hair a really good tone and clean up those blondes. Make sure the shampoo is evenly distributed throughout, then leave for the required time. MUVO Ultra Blonde Conditioner is the icing on the cake when it comes to completing your blonde hair care routine. MUVO Ultra Blonde Conditioner assists in eliminating unwanted yellow and brassy tones from the blonde, grey, bleached and highlighted hair. MUVO Ultra Blonde Shampoo opens up the hair cuticle so it can tone unwanted brassy tones, so naturally the hair cuticle needs to be conditioned and sealed. MUVO Ultra Blonde Conditioner will not only seal the cuticle but add extra toning benefits to the hair. Here's a hot tip. You can coat over-processed, damaged areas with conditioner before toning with MUVO Ultra Blonde Shampoo. This will protect these areas from being exposed to any chance of being overtoned. MUVO Ultra Blonde can also be used on coppers, brunettes and anything in between that needs a little brassy undertone toned down. MUVO Ultra Blonde can also be used on balayage, highlighted hair and everything in between. Ultra Blonde will do all of this without drying out your hair. You can achieve many shades of blonde. Depending on the level you've been lifted to or what natural shade you are, or how long you leave it on for, will determine the result of MUVO Ultra Blonde shampoo application.